right, our next caller is Lisa from Reynolds. Hi, Lisa.
Hi, how are you?
Doing well. Go ahead with your question.
I want to know, I was in an accident a couple of weeks ago, and I was with my husband, but I got hurt, and I still got medical bills, and I still got need to go to the doctor. Will your insurance be liable for my medical bills?
Okay.
Well, it first depends upon who was at fault.
Right.
And that's the first thing. Go ahead, David. Take that.
Yeah, have you seen a copy of the accident report?
Yes, they got him at fault.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Well, that's obviously the first question there. So that's good. And did you say you went to the emergency room? I'm sorry,
Yes.
Lisa. Okay.
Yes, I did.
And are you still hurting?
Yes, I need to go back to the doctor.
Do you have a family physician?
Yes.
Yeah, if you're still hurting, you definitely need to go and get more treatment. You know, the worst thing you could do is settle the case, you know, too quickly and still have lingering issues. And so that would be the first thing that I would do is make sure you're not seriously injured. Because once you settle your case, then it's going to be over for good. And that does happen occasionally. People do have lingering problems when they settle their case too quickly.
You know, what's interesting, this is probably the fourth or fifth year we've been doing the show, Wendell. And I'm glad you made that point, David, because a lot of people don't go see the physician. They think, oh, I feel okay. And then later on down the road that you find that something really is hurt.
Right.
And another thing, a lot of times people don't follow up with treatment like they should because they don't know who's supposed to pay for it.
Right.
And that is always an issue. You know, who's going to pay my bills when I go to the doctor? And if you don't have health insurance, that can be a real issue. You first of all, look at the primary is going to be your own policy. See if you have med pay. If you don't have med pay, then you want to turn it over to your health insurance carrier, whether it's Medicare, Medicaid, or Blue Cross Blue Shield, whatever it might be. And they are the insurance company with the at-fault driver is not going to pay your bills as you go. They're going to wait until the end of the treatment and then want to settle, or if not settle, you got to take them to court. But they will not be paying as you go. So it's going to be up to you to find a way to get those bills handled and the treatment done up until you get ready to settle your case.
Welcome back, everybody. If you'd like to reach David Bullard, here's how. He's right here in Macon. You can reach him with Edwards and Bullard Law, and the number is 478-254-3519, or visit his website at edwardsandbullardlaw.com. And Mr. Horne is also here in Macon. He's with Reynolds, Horne Survant. You can reach him at 478-405-0300, toll-free 1-800-537-3238, or visit Wendell's website at reynoldsinjurylaw.com.